If you want to supercharge your job search, then you're in the right place. Let's see how you can do that with ChatGPT. It's not another prompt. It's not a prompt to write a fantastic resume. It's about making your job search more efficient, meaningful, and easier for you. So let's go and see how. And I'm saving the best for the last, a feature that does all the hard work for you. Searching for jobs is a time-consuming task. So the first thing I'm going to do here is ask ChatGPT to help me find a job. I'm giving it a very broad query of looking for some real jobs for a project manager with 30 years of experience. So let's see what it does. I haven't really specified how many listings I want to see approximately. It quickly searches and comes up with a list of these jobs. You can also ask it to present it in a different format. But if you want to search jobs for a specific CV or experience, let's see if it can do that. I'm prompting ChatGPT to find jobs for a specific CV. I've also given it certain guidelines such as analyze the CV to get a good hang of the experience. It returns with a list of jobs, job link, and percentage match. Are these real jobs? I'm going to click on the first link and it does open the job listing. Now we could be skeptical about the percentage match, but it is a good starting point and saves time. Now the real fun is if it could just search for these jobs every day and bring them to you. So let's see if that's possible. ChatGPT offers a feature called tasks. What these tasks allow you to do is automate things you want ChatGPT to do. So while we sleep, we'd like ChatGPT to go and look for relevant jobs for a given CV and then return it to us at a certain time of the day. So if you look here, I've said search for relevant jobs, I've given it some details and set the schedule. I can set the schedule to daily, weekly, monthly, annually, as well as a specific time so that it brings it to me when I want it. I can look at some of the view previous chats here. If you see, I have already received one lot of it earlier. The thing is, I didn't specify which part of the world, so it's got me jobs from different parts of the world. It's also given me a percentage match. It's given me a role overview as well, what the role is about broadly. And well, I have a list just like that. So friends, as you see, we can do a lot more than just creating content with generative AI tools. So get a generative AI tool like ChatGPT to do tasks that you find time consuming or you don't enjoy doing. If you enjoyed this video, do let me know. I'll be sharing more such use cases where you can go beyond just content creation with generative AI tools.